This video is definitely for you if you are looking for a way to make your abstract painting stronger without overthinking it. In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 simple ways that you can instantly improve your paintings. So let's get started. Tip number 1, strengthen your composition. A strong composition keeps the viewer's eye moving around your painting and it keeps them interested in looking at it. So, here's a simple way that you can make sure you have something interesting for your viewer to look at. So, make sure that you have a dominant shape or an area of focus in your painting. This will grab your viewer's attention and keep them interested for sure. But if your painting feels like it's all over the place, you might have to try and adjust the balance by adding more contrast or simplifying a busy area. And here's a little bonus tip for you. The next time you paint, try and step back and ask yourself, where does my eye go first? Tip number 2, use contrast to create depth. One of the biggest reasons that a painting looks flat is because it lacks contrast. So try pushing your darkers dark and your lighters light. So a simple way to check your contrast is to take a photo of your painting and then just turn it into a black and white photo. If everything looks like it's one tone, then you need more contrast. Tip number 3, add more variation with marks and texture. If your paintings are feeling a bit dull, it might be because everything looks too similar. Try mixing up your brushstrokes. Use some big bold ones and then some tiny details. The whole key here is variety. So here's the before and the after. Which one do you think is most interesting? One of the biggest things that I learned on my own journey is that small changes can make a huge difference. There's no need to overhaul everything in your paintings. You just need to start noticing what's working and what's not. Because the more aware you become of these small shifts, the more confident you're going to feel making decisions in your work. And the beauty of this approach is that it's not about achieving perfection. It's about growing and exploring and finding your own voice as an artist. And the best part is that you can apply these ideas to any piece, no matter where you are in your journey. I would absolutely love to hear from you. So, which of these tips do you think that might help you the most? Or maybe there's something that you want to share with the community that you're already doing that's making a big difference in your own paintings. So, drop a comment below. I love hearing about how other artists approach their work. And if you want more ways to strengthen your paintings, grab my free guide, The 5 Steps to Strengthening Your Abstract Paintings. You'll find the link below. All right, I'll see you next week.